Hello everyone, my name is Meena Parthiban. Welcome to my presentation titled Forecasting US Economic Growth, a Time Series Analysis. This project was developed for Data 625-9080 Summer 2025 under the instruction of Professor Christopher Wrightson at the University of Maryland Global Campus. I choose the US Economic Times Series dataset from Kaggle, originally compiled from FRED because it contains over 50 years of rich monthly data on spending, population savings and employment, ideal for conducting time series forecasting. My research question is, can we predict US personal consumption expenditure based on historical economic data and key influencing factors like population saving rate and unemployment? Coming to the first visualization, it is a line chart forecasting personal consumption expenditure from 1965 to 2025. Using Tabula's default exponential smoothing model, I forecasted future consumption. I did not change any forecasting settings manually as recommended in Millikan's Chapter 9. The funnel shape extension on the right of the line indicates the 95% interval based on the historical trend. Tabular predicts continued spending growth. I have moderate confidence in this forecast because of the data consistency, but I acknowledged uncertainty due to other economic factors such as savings and unemployment. Coming to the next visualization, which presents a forecast of US population over time. This visualization also uses Tabula's default exponential smoothing technique to project population growth into the future. We can see a clear, consistent upward trend with a relatively narrow confident band indicating high reliability. Since a growing population tend to drive demand for goods and services, this projection directly supports our consumption forecast. Coming to the third visualization, that between personal saving rate over time, this variable tend to spike during economic uncertainty such as during the Great Recession. We can see that as saving increases, consumer spending often slows. This inverse relationship is a key consideration in evaluating forecast reliability. Coming to the fourth visualization, it shows median duration of unemployment with annotations added at 2008 and 2020 to mark the Great Recession and the COVID-19 pandemic. Both events caused sharp spikes in unemployment duration, directly influencing consumer spending habit. These background factors explain possible volatility in the forecast and are critical to context as highlighted in Milligan's chapter 7. Coming to the last visualization, it presents the total number of unemployed people over time. Large increase during recession period show how labor in instability can suddenly disrupt forecasted trends in the economy. This reinforces the idea that while we forecast looks optimistic, caution is warned. Coming to the conclusion, to conclude, Tabula's exponential smoothing forecast shows an expected increase in US consumer spending. This is backed by population growth but challenged by various variables like unemployment and saving rate fluctuation. This background interactions, while not part of forecast models, are crucial to interpreting its confidence. Table's visualization tools allowed me to explore this data deeply and generate a forecast that is statistically sound yet context aware. Here are the references I used for this presentation. Thank you for watching my presentation.